Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode at Enox Podcast. This is Lina Belchi, and I'm very excited to be your host for today's episode. We are honored to welcome Jens, International Sales Manager at Christ Packing System. It's a German leading supplier that manufactures pharmaceutical packaging solutions. Jens, welcome to Enox Podcast. It's a pleasure to have you with us today.
Hi, Lina. It's nice to be here.
Okay, just tell me, how was your last 2 days? How they went?
Oh, the last 2 days was quite busy. So we visited some customers and have some good talks. It was good.
Okay, what do you think about the weather?
Oh, it's really hot.
Yeah, I can
Yeah.
say that. Okay. So now let's shift our focus on the pharmaceutical industry. So Jens, from your perspective, why do you think that the pharmaceutical packaging became as a critical part in the manufacturing process today?
Pharmaceutical packaging is not only packing products into cartons and cartons into a shipper box. This is much more. Everything is going faster and faster, and also the necessary flexibility and the pharmaceutical requirements increase and become stronger. And Christ has to react to this. And
Also,
it is-
the pharmaceutical regulation has changed a lot.
yes,
For them, the
yes, it
packaging
becomes
became
stronger.
a most critical point.
Mhm. And it's our challenge and also our goal to reach these special requirements.
Okay, so this highlights how packaging is important in today's manufacturing process. So I want to ask you, because I think many people who are not familiar with what's Christ, they want to know what's Christ, and can you give me a brief introduction about Christ packaging and what they do, what they manufacture, and how they started, for example?
Okay, Christ is a leading German company in manufacturing packaging machines for the secondary packaging and end-of-line packaging for pharmaceuticals and medical devices. The company is located in the south of Germany, in a very nice region, and we are working there with about 140 employees. Most of them work in the assembly field, but we also have a big team in our technical department, mostly development engineers. And we also have departments like the sales, but also the procurement department, as well as the service department, which is one of our important departments in-house.
So can you tell us what does customization do in the pharmaceutical packaging?
Yeah, well, frankly speaking, the customer say what he want, and we check the feasibility and make a design and manufacture the right machine or the right technical solution for him. Of course, it's not easy. It is necessary to have experience, know-how, the necessary technical resources, and all you can find at Christ.
So Jens, I'm a customer now, and I have a production line. And this production line, it's only manual. Okay, the packaging is manual, and I wanna make this manual packaging to be automatic packaging. So how can you help me to change this from manual to automatic? And what requirements do you may need from me as a customer to just proceed with this process for the change?
Okay. Of course, it is possible to extend the existing line with a secondary packaging line. And of course, it makes sense to do that. Manual packaging is not fast, and it's not correct. And the human can make mistakes. If you want to eliminate such failures, it is the best way to install a fully automatic packaging line. I know the costs plays a big role in that matter, but if the customer think further in the future,
Yes.
it makes sense to go this way.
Even if he is putting in mind that he's going to increase the production, capacity. So bringing a machine for the packaging, it's gonna help him a lot instead of doing it manually.
Exactly. This is the main issue to think about automatic or semi-automatic packaging. When the amount increase and the production runs faster, it makes sense to replace the humans against a machine.
Okay, how Chris gonna integrate their machine in the production line?
So we can add on our machines to the filling machine. It could be a vial, it could be a blister or whatever. It is a simple surface or interface, sorry, in between of both. So we combine the outfeed conveyor with an infeed conveyor from our machines and bring the products out of the filling machine into the packaging machine.
Okay. So Jens, what do you think is the greatest value that Chris can offer to the pharmaceutical manufacturer beyond the machine itself?
Okay, next to our machines, Chris can offer the integration of a track and trace system. This can be supplied by any supplier. Further, we have a big focus on the service, which is also an important point. And additionally to this, we also very keen with the documentation, following the special requirements for the pharmaceutical industry. This is also not easy to realize.
Yes, I agree. Now in Egypt, the EDA, they focus on the track and trace system in the manufacturing industries, and for them now this is a critical point that all the Egyptian market they are looking for. So if I'm a company and I need my track and trace system to be from another company or from a specific company, is it possible for you to integrate this system or from this company in your line?
Yes, it is possible.
Okay, so this point is flexible.
Yes, we are able to use every components from every supplier. Our part is to integrate this system in our machines. That means for the serialization after the cartoning up to the aggregation during the packaging into the shipper cases.
Okay, I think this point is gonna let our audience be happy to hear it. So let's go to the next one. So Jens, from your perspective, what is the biggest challenges in the pharmaceutical manufacturing that they face in these days?
So the biggest challenges now and also in future are the high product variety, the necessity of a fast change of the format parts on the machines, but also as much as possible independent from the human mistakes.
So as Chris work with different types of products, so how your machine can handle these products like vials, bottles, blisters?
So when we speak about different products, we speak mostly about our cartoning machine. We call it BoxTec. Our cartoning machine is able to handle a wide range of products, as you said, some samples in an intermediate operation. The machines themselves is nearly the same, but more of interest is the infeed solution. So you should understand all the products come from an upstream machine on an outfeed conveyor onto the infeed conveyor of our machine. And this products needs to be placed onto the infeed conveyor or the infeed solution. This needs to be done by an pick and place system. Nowadays, we are mostly work with a so-called Delta robot or Spider robot, which is a very flexible system and can handle nearly all different products.
Jens, thank you so much for sharing with us insights about Chris. It was our pleasure to learn more about Chris packing system.
Thank you, Lina. It was a pleasure for me.
For everyone who has watched today's episode, thank you so much for your time. And if you want to know more about Chris, you can just stay connected with us through our channels or platforms for more info. Thank you for watching and seeing you in our next episode.